Okay, this is a DVD motor, CD motor, out of an older CD drive in a computer. Basically, this piece here is magnetized, and that's how they use to clamp the CD or DVD when they spin it inside. And this is a bobbin here off of the Speedy stitcher, and basically I've hand wound this bobbin by hand like this, and I'm just going to show you, trying to give you an idea here of what I had in mind. Basically, see how it sticks on there, and what you could do is just the same way as I'm turning this off of there, you could have it so it could be chucked in a drill and then wind the bobbin on. If you notice, I'm holding it now so that the motor can't turn, and notice how it's still slipping on the magnet as opposed to falling off of there. It's really held on there quite nicely, and I just thought I'd show you that. Hope it helps with your research or whatever, and have a great day. Here I've taken the motor apart, and basically I've clamped the shaft into a 3/8 drill. It's just a regular Makita drill. I'm going to put the bobbin winder on, but first I'm going to wind a little bit of thread around it by hand just to give it something to start with. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of thread round around it. Hopefully you can see anyhow. And now, let's see if I can do this. Oop, we're going the wrong way. I just got it set on a very low speed, and I think I'm going to put it on the other way so the thread isn't sticking up the end against the magnet. Should turn a little bit truer. I'm just holding the thread with my thumb and fingers just to get a little bit of tension while it winds on. Just going to have to stop it because it's bunching up here on my fingers, but normally it'd be coming off a spool of thread like this or smaller, which would work fine. Just unfortunately this is all bunged up here, as you can see, but it gives you a pretty good idea of what I had in mind, and I think you'll find that it'll work. I just got to untangle this, which I'm going to do here very shortly, hopefully. And that gives you an idea of what I had in mind for a bobbin winder. Pretty simple. I think it would work not bad, as long as people realize that they can't spin the drill at full RPM necessarily and get their fingers caught or whatever, but I think it'd be a pretty slick idea. Anyhow, that's my video.